So in this KOHO Financial tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add money to your accounts by e-transfer on KOHO Financial. So one of two ways you can go to the bottom left, press home, then press on add money, or you can go to where it says payments, sort of in between, and then press add money. It gets you to the exact same spot. So once you're here, if you want to do it through e-transfer, at the top it says Interac e-transfer, go ahead and select that option. So once you're on this page right here, you can go ahead and follow these steps on how to get the e-transfer set up. So in this case, you have to go ahead and copy and paste the email. You have to go ahead and copy and paste the security question as well, and the security answer. And once that's all done through the interactive e-transfer process, you can actually go ahead and transfer the money to your account that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to add money to your account by e-transferring on KOHO Financial. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.